Hello everyone, today I'm doing unboxing of this Nintendo wireless controllers. As you can see, it is very cute. I have been sourcing this kind of game controller in the market for a long time. When I first saw it, I knew I have to have it. Now let's open it. So for comparison, I have placed a Xbox game controller here. Sorry. Okay. Let's see. Oh, the practice holder looks so gorgeous. Okay, one game controller and a charging cable. Okay, let's put it aside. And the operation menu. It says it have the motion sensor and the vibration function. I happen to have a Nintendo game console here, so let's see how to do it. Let's see, controller change grip, and then enter the pairing status. Press home for 3 seconds, entering the pairing status. The LED blink. Oh, already connected. I'm playing Odyssey. It has a very strong vibrations, and as you can see, my hands fixed. We can control it very much. Minor is to open the map. Plus is also open the menu. Well, how about here? How to do screenshotting? Oh. Oh. Odyssey. Okay. Wow. Okay. The Joy-Con. I'm surprised. You can feel the strong vibration. Okay, I find something sparkling. I catch you. Okay, this one is G controller qualified, and then I have find in the market for another color. Let's see. Dun 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 dun. Black one. So, which color do you like? What do you think? Please leave your comments in the below, and your support is very much appreciated. Thank you.